I'm Dr. Prakash Reddy. I'm head technical Zoetis India Limited. We are a company basically 2013 we became Zoetis. Earlier to that we are a part of Pfizer Animal Health. So probably everybody knows in animal industry the contributions of Pfizer Animal Health. The Pfizer Animal was instrumental in bringing a lot of products which are very proprietary products, which are unique in nature. Many of them are vaccines also. Our strength lies in pharmaceuticals. So we brought a lot of new products into the market, like the recent blockbuster product was our Dectomax, which was a unique ecto and endoparasiticide. We brought it to the market. And unlike that, from time to time, if you take throughout the world, 1 out of every US FDA products is from Zoetis. So that is our core strength. We have a strong research R&D facility, and we have a lot of products also in the pipeline. And coming to India business, in India we are number 2 as far as our turnover or business strength is concerned. And we are very unique, and we have been serving veterinary industry for almost 50 years in Indian operation. So during these 15 years, we have earned one of the most valuable company in veterinary industry, both in our pharmaceutical business and also in nutraceutical business. So we have a lot of acquisitions. We had a lot of acquisitions in the past. The most recent being 2010-2011, we have acquired Ranbaxy's Vetnex operations in India. And now Vetnex is an entity of Zoetis. So in 2013, the Pfizer Animal Health has become Zoetis, and this has been rolled out across the world, and we are now a separate entity, and we are no more a part of Pfizer Global Animal Health. In India, we have manufacturing facility in Haridwar, which is an WHO approved facility by the state and the central governments. And all our majority, even 50% of our products, they are all imported. So they are all being manufactured either in US or in Europe. And that is where our products are very different compared to the locally manufactured the medicinal products or the vaccines. So in this year we are bringing one product which is not available in Indian market, that is dry cow therapy. So there is a major problem of mastitis in the cows which are going for drying. So the drying is nothing but 2 months of gap before the animal is going to deliver. So before 2 months of delivery, now we are going to dry the calf without milking the animal anymore. So during that time, we have to protect the udder tissue. So that is the mammary gland, by giving a suitable and a very good antibiotic. So, and we are a market leader in the world, and we are bringing this market especially for Indian market for the first time. So we are going to launch this product in the month of April, and the brand name of this product is Spectramast DC. So this is actually going to help the farmer enormously. So in terms of preventing mastitis disease in the dry cow period, as well as the animals becoming clinical cases of mastitis after parturition. So that is where we are going to make a significant difference for the farmer in this year. Thank you very much.